Hello YouTube, how's everybody? Today is July the 4th, 2018, and I'm coming to you from a beautiful Howa Ranch in Southern California. And I'm going to celebrate 4th of July by shooting some guns. Here's one I'm going to shoot today. This one's the Howa Ranchland Security rifle in 223 Remington. It comes with a 20-inch barrel. It comes with a 2.5 by 10 Nikko Stirling scope, bolt action, and I'm going to shoot 2 Lamo and some American Eagle Federal, and I'm going to set my target somewhere over there with the hills as a backdrop. I have set up my target. This is just a heavy-duty Lowe's cardboard box with some target staple on it. I put some rocks inside so it doesn't get blown away. The hills are the backdrop, and put it about 100 yards away from where I'll be shooting, right next to my car right there. Well, let's see how it goes. So this rifle is only bore-sighted with laser bore-sighter. I'm going to shoot 5 rounds at 100 yards to see if I can even get it on paper. Okay, let's go see how it goes. Well, I got 2 on target. So I need to shoot lower. So three holes there, fairly close. But I need to adjust it lower. Try it again. So I need to dial it downwards about 6 inches. 1/4 MOA at 1 click. So I guess I'm new at this, so I'm not sure. If I do it wrong, please tell me. I'm going to dial downwards 24 clicks. Okay, that's 24 clicks. Okay, the second 5-shot group came in pretty nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty close. I need to go to the right 3 inches and up 3 inches. So next time I'm going to shoot this target now. Well, that's not too bad. Have never had sniper training. I'm not such an accurate shot. So I want to go up 3 inches, 4 inches. So I'm gonna go that way, about 12 click. Make it 14 clicks. And I need to go to the right 3 inches. Right about 3 inches, so about 12 clicks to the right. Okay. That's how does that work? Let's see how that works. Okay, let's do 5 more shots. Okay. 4, and over there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to go to the left 2 and down 2. Okay, the scope has been adjusted. Let's see how it does. Okay, 5 shot. I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's about as good as I can do. Not such an accurate shooter, but I'm happy with that. Of course, this rifle is guaranteed at 1 MOA accuracy. This rifle is a lot more accurate than I am, that's for sure. Five-shot group. Okay, I'm gonna do 5 more shots with American Eagle. See how I do. Okay, let's see how it does. Okay, this is how I did. Group of 5. That's very good in my book. I'm gonna call it quit while I'm ahead. Gets tiring walking back and forth. Hog Wild Ranch. Nice July 4th afternoon. Happy July 4th. Thank you for watching.